The highly affordable Clarke CML6 Mechanical Motorcycle Lift is ideal for all your motorcycle maintenance needs. Perfect for providing easy access to motorcycles for repair and maintenance, the CML6 Motorcycle Lift is ideal for any professional or home workshop. Suitable for use either on a motorcycle platform lift or on the floor, it can raise your motorcycle by up to 310 millimeters. This reduces the amount of strain involved with working on motorcycles, as it allows users to access the vital components of the bike without having to bend or kneel down for long periods. The CML6 has two U-shaped cups mounted on the top table, which enables the lift to hold motorcycle down tubes, raising them to a height of 470 millimeters and lifting the wheels clear of the floor. The CML6 is very simple to use. After positioning it beneath the bike, simply wind the handle at the end and the scissor mechanism will gently raise your motorcycle to the desired height. The platform is 450 millimeters long and 150 millimeters wide, making it the ideal size for holding your bike without taking up too much workshop space when not in use. Robustly constructed from steel with a tough powder-coated finish, the CML6 has a lifting capacity of 500 kilograms, sufficient for almost any bike. Convenient, durable, safe, and exceptionally easy to use, the CML6 is a must-have for those who work on motorcycles on a regular basis. It represents excellent value for money and will give you many years of service.